How to fix Apex Legends integrity error 0x8000002. First step, open Steam, click library option, right click the game, click it and click properties, click installed file and click verify integrity of the game file and wait for some time. The verification is ongoing. It is actually verifying your game files in your device. The verification is completed. Successfully validate. Next step, open Apex installation folder by clicking browser. Find the easy anti-cheat folder. Run the setup program as administrator. Right click it. Click run as administrator. If choose repair service is available means restart your device. Then move on with next step. Search for command prompt. Right click run as administrator. Type the following text. SFC space / scan now. Type it and click enter. The verification is ongoing. Once complete after, type exit. Click enter and move on with next step. Search for run and type the following text. MSCONFIG. Click OK. A system configuration will appear in this. Click services. Enable hide all Microsoft services. Disable it and click apply and OK. Click restart. Once the restart complete after, next step, search for device manager. Click it. Search for storage controllers and universal serial bus controllers. If you install any tools newly means you can uninstall and check it. Then restart your device. Thank you.